Your voice has entered an entire new frequency, an entire new level of authority. Your throat center is superb. It's time to speak boldly. For those of you who this is for, yes, you, it's time to use la voz. It's time to use your voice. You have a story to tell. A lot of these people, a lot of these celebrities, a lot of these influencers, they tell stories that don't even belong to them in order to get clout, in order to get sympathy, in order to play on the emotions of the people. You are somebody who your story, if you tell it as is, people will think you cap. People will think it's a movie. You have so many experiences that you've lived that you're meant to share. A lot of people that are even around you, for some of you, even your own relatives don't know the half of what you've been through. You're ready to speak. You're ready to share. This doesn't mean you got to tell people each and everything that you went through. This doesn't mean that things that you're not comfortable sharing or that you feel vulnerable talking about that you have to share. What you have to understand is you don't have to always even be specific about what you actually went through. But what you might share is, what did you do to heal from that? What did you do to move past that? How did you get to where you are today? It's not about, oh, this happened to me at this age. And you can do that. Some of you are going to be led to do that. And that's going to be very beautiful because that actually takes a lot of strength to do that. There's many of us who don't literally share the specifics of things that we've been through. Even on Pretty Boss TV, sometimes I do like one-on-one guidance or life alignment coaching sessions, which I absolutely love to do. This is making me think of somebody that I spoke to. And as she was sharing to me her story, I'm like, when I say to the T, it was like, that's my exact life. Have we been living the same life in parallels? That was very specific. Like when I say to the T, the stuff she went to was like the T to the T, the things I've experienced. But even for people who I've spoken to where it might not be the same exact specific thing, it's similar. It has the same energy. There are patterns there. Even for those of you who resonate with Pretty Boss TV, one of the questions I want you to ask yourself is, why do you think that you resonate with me so much? Why do you think that I'm able to speak to your mind, to your heart, to your spirit? Some of you can feel it in your body. Why do you think that is? I've been through some of the same things that you've experienced. I've been through much. It has been a long journey, especially before getting to this point of being on the other side. You know what I mean? There's the other side. Hold on. If you do not work where you're doing good, in due season you will reap, and you will get to them latter Job days where the latter days are greater than the former. But that's where I'm at. That's where a lot of us are at. But why do you think that is that I resonate like that? I don't get on here and say, oh, this happened to me at this age. Like most people would, your jaw would drop. Your jaw might fall off if I told you just half of the things that I've been through. The reason that these videos resonate and they speak to you is because we've had similar, if not the same experiences in life since childhood. Think about that for you. The things that we go through as chosen ones isn't just to go through them. Our Father, our Mother who art in heaven is not just being evil against us. They have not forgotten us. It's because they knew what would happen when we take the things that we went through and started to use it as an empowering thing, started to use it to help our other chosen ones. You are ready to teach. I was going to say for some of you, you are ready to preach, but you're ready to teach. You're ready for your voice to be heard. And for some of you that have even more courage and are called to that, because I can't even say even more courage. We just have different callings. But some of you, it is because you do have more courage. You'll be led to share very specific things that you went through. And this is going to elevate you. And again, I don't want people to feel like you have to be specific, but I want you to understand whether you want to be specific about just sharing your story or you want to be specific in a way that you're helping people and you're be able to speak to the minds and hearts of people who've been through the same thing that you've been through without saying, look, I've been through this. It's your time to speak. Time to be bold. There are two messages here. The other thing that this particular message is about is some of you need to stop holding your tongue back. Some of y'all are dealing with people that you need to let them know that you know what time it is. Some of y'all are dealing with people that you need to lay the law. Some of y'all are dealing with people that you need to set a boundary. And then some of y'all, this is so funny because it's going to sound opposite, but some of y'all are dealing with people that you know who they are. And it's time to, you keep your power to yourself by not telling them nothing, especially not telling them nothing about what you're planning on doing. Keep those things to yourself. So this still has to do with your voice. It's about knowing when to use it and when not to use it. And for those of you who this is for, don't use your voice to let any of these people who showed you who they are know what you got going on. Even for some people that you might rock with, there are things that you're being led to keep to yourself for different reasons. Just be obedient. We don't need to know why, but you're being led to move in silence. Some people you will be led to share certain things with eventually, but not prematurely. Some of you are dealing with a person that you need to let them know what time it is. Some of you are dealing with a person that you need to let them know straight up. Like some of you could be dealing with a person that's still trying to nag you or still trying to reach out. And it's like, you need to tell them like, look, you did A, B, C, and D. Some of them you just need to say you did A. And A violates my boundaries. So this is why I don't communicate with you. This is why I'm not interested in having a relationship with you. This could be friend, coworker, whoever, romance, family. Some of you need to use your voice to take your power back. Some of you could have dealt with some type of abuse, some type of neglect, some type of betrayal. And you haven't said anything about it. You kept it tucked in. It's time to let the person know, look, this is what you did to me. This is the effect that you had on me. Whether you want to acknowledge it or not, I'm letting you know that's what it is. And I'm letting you know this is exactly why the relationship that we once had, that's over. That would never be the case. From this point forward, the only relationship that we might be able to have is a cordial one. And that's if that, because you might get cut off for eternity. And I'm being funny when I say you might get cut off for eternity, because don't let them people that you about to cut off for eternity know. Let me tell y'all know how it is when you know you're going to cut off a person forever. You don't even have the desire to say nothing. You just know that's the last time this person going to hear from me. That's the last time this person going to see me. So I'm being funny when I say that, because when you really are about to cut somebody off forever, they won't know. And they don't need to know. You don't owe that to anybody. Again, it's about knowing what you need to say and what you don't need to say. Some of you need to stand up to somebody and speak and tell somebody who could have abused you, or somebody around you, or somebody that you love, that you know what they did and that you know they're going to be dealt with. Godspeed. God sees everything, and that you also know. Some of you, it is very important to say that. These could have been different types of abusers, physical abusers, people who commit SA. Some of you have certain things like that. Some of you, it could even be a few people that you need to let them know that you know what they did. For some of you, if you don't want to open the door to contact this person, if you already blocked them, you can write a letter expressing this is what you did to me. Some of you need to do this. Thank you, Holy Spirit. For a lot of you, you've healed. You're free from this, but this is going to set you a completely different type of free. And this is going to totally cut any bonds or cords or soul ties that you have with these particular people. This is going to solidify it. Even if you don't speak to them in person, some of you don't need to speak to them in person, but some of you do need to speak your truth. For some of you, it could be speaking your truth and so on social media or something like that, or writing it in a book. And for others of you, it could be that you're writing a letter. And for some of you, it's interesting because some of you, you're going to write a letter and you're going to see that your letter turns into some type of memoir or some type of book. But it's not about that. That's just a side message for a very small percentage of y'all. But for those of you who this is for, it's very important that you at least write a letter expressing this is what happened. This is what this person did. This is going to do something for you too. Because some of you, what this is about, you never expressed this. You never told this to anybody. When you write it down, this is going to purify you in such a powerful way. This is going to be such a powerful release that you didn't even know that you needed. This is going to be the ultimate closure. This is going to close that soul contract this lifetime and the eternal of whatever other lifetime. It's for eternity. It's going to close that with this particular energy, with this spirit, with this person, with this soul. Write it down. In your letter, write exactly what happened, verbatim, how you remember it. And then I want you to write down how it made you feel. And then I want you to write, it's always 3 sections how we do these letters. And then I want you to write down, what did you learn? What do you now know? What's not going to happen again because you did go through that circumstance? What did you take home from that? Even when we go through the worst of things, there's always something there that we can use for the future. This is going to be a powerful also closing point to you, because for some of you, as you write the letter, you're going to see specifically like, wow, I experienced that to get to this point to prevent something like that or even worse than that to happen in the future. Speak your truth. Some of you are in circumstances where you're seeing things that could be happening to other people. You have the opportunity to speak up for a group of people. You have the opportunity to speak for people who they can't speak for themselves. This is making me think even back to what we were talking about earlier with what I do on YouTube. Do you know how many of us, do you know how many people that I'm able to say and share certain things and it speaks to that they might not be able to be heard, but they know that they're being heard when they hear these prophetic messages and it's exactly your story, then you know you've been heard. So think about that effect that you're meant to have on others. I'm one person. I'm only one part of our soul tribe. I'm only one person in the chosen community. But I might speak to you. I might be somebody who's very important on your spiritual journey. But think about the people that will never come across me, the people who might but won't be able to hear or receive my voice or my way of speaking or whatever, but they come across you and they'll immediately be able to receive it. This is how we work in unison. This is how we work in a team. We all have our allotted group of souls that we came down here to speak to be a light to be a person, to spark memory of them remembering who they are through seeing another chosen one. It's time to use your voice. It's time to speak out depending on your situation. Let me know how this resonates in the comments below. And I would love to hear for some of you that you do know you need to speak up about something. Please comment what that is. You could be speaking up for another group of people or some type of injustice. And for others of you who you're ready to speak out, you're ready to stop hiding behind your life and realizing that it's nothing to be shamed about. But this is something that's going to propel you into everything that God shows you has been for you. Comment below. I'm ready to speak out. Put that emoji, just like that head, that gray head that has like the thing where it's coming out his mouth. Put that emoji, or put one of them microphones or whatever the thing is, the funnel things. It's lapsing me. Put that in the comments and let me know if you're ready to speak. For those of you who are ready to speak, understand YouTube Takeover 2026 coming up. Shouts out to everybody who has signed up for YouTube Takeover 2026. This is going to be a powerful masterclass for those who have a voice and know that you've been being led to use it. This is no longer a time for the chosen ones to be voiceless. You didn't go through the things that you went through just to go through them for no reason. You went through them because the Most High knew there would be a time where it's time for you to speak. It's time for you to teach. It's time for you to help. It's time for you to give back based on the specific knowledge, wisdom, and experiences that you have. This is a YouTube Takeover Masterclass specifically for the chosen ones who are ready to do that, who you know that you've been being called to do that. I'm a YouTube certified master, okay? I have multiple YouTube channels that have brought me multiple streams of income. I got multiple YouTube channels right now that I have not posted on in probably over a year or more, and I still get just residual revenue from that across different niches. I'm somebody who understands everything about positioning. I'm somebody who understands everything about monetization. I'm somebody who understands everything about growth, purpose, and focus and branding. This is a masterclass for those of you who want that higher understanding. Okay, this isn't the mundane things. This isn't the technicals. This isn't just a whole bunch of information. This isn't what title do I use, what thumbnail, all of those type of specific things, plus even what we're going to be talking about in here. This is what we have our one-on-one YouTube mentorship where I will hold you by your hand and walk you through. This is how you do YouTube. Okay, but for others of you that you might not be ready, or you are wondering, should you do the one-on-one YouTube mentorship? This is going to give you exactly what you need to get established in 2026 and to be having some real traction going by the time we get into Q2, Q3 for sure. This is going to let you know why, for some of you that have been trying to do YouTube and you haven't been getting views, things haven't been shifting, but you've been doing it for a while. This is going to let you know exactly what you've been doing wrong and how to align what your purpose is with the goals that you should have with the platform itself. This is what we're doing in YouTube Takeover Masterclass, very specific. This is all about execution. If you want more information about what we're doing on YouTube Takeover 2026, visit prettybossTV.com, where to show you exactly what we're going to be doing during those days. It's going to show you who this is for, who this is not for. And this is also going to show you what you'll be taking home after you do YouTube Takeover. Also, everybody who signs up is going to get a complimentary one-on-one 15-minute phone call with me where you can ask me any question about YouTube, whether it's something that we cover in the masterclass or not. You'll also get access to everything that we do for the live events is going to be recorded so that you'll have perpetual access to that. Anybody who's ever been part of my events knows that we always have multiple resources and things to help you along the way. And you'll be able to, if you do want to move forward with one-on-one YouTube mentorship, you'll be able to deduct the price of the YouTube Takeover Masterclass from the one-on-one YouTube mentorship if you book a YouTube one-on-one mentorship within 30 days. Also, big shout out to everybody who has been on alterbodyco.com to support products for chosen ones, because yes, chosen ones need tools too, and this is exactly what Alter Body Co is for. We have our Esther Holy Mist, which is one of my absolute favorites. This is something to consecrate yourself with daily, ladies, for those who are ready to line up to your kingdom, for those who are ready to step into your power, for those who are ready to allow your kingdom spouse into your life. For those of you who are tired of the bugs and the people that's coming to you, but it's like, why am I getting these options? And you're ready to have only options that are in alignment with you to come your way, and much more. Esther Holy Mist. This is for favor, beauty, and attraction. And of course, we have our Holy Fire Holy Mist. This is for joy, creativity, and boldness. And for those of you who are looking at this video, this would definitely do you well, especially for those of you who are being led to speak and are being led to use your voice. This is going to give you the action that you need. I actually want to spray. This is for us. This is for you, to be bold, to be creative with the way that the Most High wants you to use your voice, and to have the joy that was stolen from you early on returned as you share your voice and as you speak your truth. We also have holy oils for each, including our Holy Fire Holy Mist, which this is our holy oil that roll on that goes with it. And anytime you get the mist and things of that nature, you're going to get more instructions and things that comes with it as well. I love you all so much. Let me know how this video resonates below, and let me know if you're going to be ready to use your voice, and if you are also signing up for YouTube Takeover 2026. I love you all so much, and I'll talk to y'all soon, y'all willing. Peace.